me get some high fives. Let me get some high fives. Hello, hello, up here. Hello. Hello. This is the earliest I've woken up in a long time, which isn't really that early. It's 6 a.m. Well, I woke up at 6, it's 7 now. We are going on a journey today. We're going on a long road trip. Rudy's already down there ready. Diana getting ready with her apple. Is that your breakfast?
No, I need some coffee.
I'll tell you one thing, it better be sunny over there.
Right?
Actually, it'd be pretty cool to jump into a waterfall with the rain.
I think so too, if it's gloomy.
Not gloomy, it's either rain or sunshine. How you doing?
Hello, Diana. How are you?
So wait, you said somebody died yesterday?
Yeah, at the Ganungan.
At the waterfall.
The waterfall. The waterfall is not deep.
But why? Because they jumped?
I think no.
No, he said it's...
Any mystery kinds of like that.
You said it's sacred, so you think it's like a...
So you think there's animals underneath?
Not
Not
animals,
animals, I
like
think
spirits.
Yeah, I can some spirit on that place.
Oh, wow.
People believe it.
Yeah, let's go the other direction. Too many twists and turns. Going down a bunch of windy roads. I was feeling it, but I was trying to talk myself out of it. I'm like, fresh air. I think it's the pressure being up on it too.
You want to go in the front? You want to go in the front?
How much? Okay. Yeah. How much longer do we have?
So at maybe like 20 minutes.
20 minutes.
20 minutes of.
30 minutes?
Yeah.
He said 15
Yeah, just
before.
like
I mean 15 to the park.
Greg.
Where do you come from?
Everywhere. Everywhere.
And jumping.
It's deep. How deep is it?
Deep, just 5 meter and high 10 meter.
10 meters deep?
High,
Okay.
deep 5 meter.
Okay. Has anybody died from jumping?
Yeah.
Why?
And sliding first.
Why do you want to know that?
5 activity for you.
Okay.
5.
You have insurance in case you die.
First, jumping.
What?
Man is going down this thing like a grandma. Alright, so I'm not really afraid of heights. I jumped off some, oh wow, that's crazy. I jumped off some pretty high places. Alright, go. But I don't know how deep this is, and that's what I'm a little bit not afraid. I'm never afraid, but I'm a little bit skeptical on. So this one's only 5 meters, which I don't know what 5 meters is, but we're gonna eventually go to one that's 15 meters. But if I see somebody doing it, I have to do it, or else I'll regret it when I leave. So this one's only 5 meters.
Huh?
This one's only 5 meters.
Oh, okay, so we're sliding.
We're sliding down where?
This way.
We're sliding down those rocks.
Yeah.
With what?
What do you mean? By itself. The water's gonna take you.
I don't know. That looks like a lot of rocks to slide down. I'm first.
So he'll push us.
Alright, so put my hands like this when I go.
I'm sorry, sir. I will help you, yeah? Yeah, like that. And then bring to Miami, it's okay.
It was at this moment he knew. He fucked up.
I didn't know how you hit the rock at the bottom. I want to do it again. We messed up.
We hit our 30-day mark that we've been in Bali, and
So let's give them a framework. So basically, how we thought things worked was you basically get a visa in Bali when you enter. So you get 30 days if, I think it's US or Australian citizens.
right, 30 days.
So we got 30 days. So what we heard was after 30 days we get to extend.
For another 30 days.
For another 30 days.
Yeah.
So casually we woke up this morning. We're like, okay, we're gonna go to the office because today is actually our 30th day. So we get to the office and the lady was like, okay, so I'm looking for the slip. So come to find out, when you get to the airport in Bali, you have to get your visa there. So it's different than the actual visa that we have,
Right.
which is just, I guess, a travel. So now we can't extend. So basically it's the 30-day mark.
We need to fly out. So pretty much we're going to do a visa run, and we're trying to figure out where. We're thinking as far as what's cheap, but still what's going to be fun, because we still want to make a trip out of it.
Yeah, so basically it is 12:45, and in the next 11 hours we are technically illegal.
Okay.
We keep hearing Singapore, 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 but from what I know about Singapore is that it's really, really, really expensive. Alright, so basically right now to scramble, I am looking at a whole bunch of websites right now, from hotels to flights, trying to find the cheapest place that we can go to. So right now on the list, it's between Malaysia, Cambodia, Singapore, and possibly Thailand. But since it's such short notice, I really think that it might be a problem. But we're trying not to stress. At the end of the day, like, there's nothing we could really do. I mean, I don't want to throw blame, but
What?
I don't want to throw blame.
No, this is not my fault at all.
Alright, so basically we see this hotel right here. It doesn't look too bad. It's about $200 for 3 nights, which is not bad at all. This is Malaysia, so I think we actually should look into probably plane tickets first.
If we decide to fly out tomorrow, then we're pretty much going to get a 300 rupiah, what do you call it, penalty, which is about $21. So we're just trying to do the math, because if we fly out today, then we have to pay for an extra night at a hotel. So, and we were just so nonchalant.
So
like
nonchalant. We woke up like, oh, it's going to be a great day. We're going to go to this place and go to the gym, and now we might have to start packing our bags and shoot over to the airport. Hey, take that picture. All right. Take it. Take that picture. Take that picture. We are confirmed. Give me some. Give me some.
Hey.
Hey. All right. So we got our flight. All right. Hotel is booked also.
Yep.
Give me some.
Hey.
So we are all set. The hotel was cheaper than I thought.
I know, and it's very, very nice. Hopefully
Very nice.
the rooms are, they look big.
Hopefully it
At
looks
least
like the
bigger
picture.
than Tokyo.
Did they say to add something out? I always put, listen, when they say add something to your booking, any notes, I always put corner room, high floor. And usually, 9 times out of 10, they'll actually give it to you if the hotel is not overbooked.
Okay, well, I didn't add anything.